Welcome to Dance with Oleg app. So in this lesson, I would like a little bit to explain about arm styling, how to move your arms very beautifully. So number one idea for the arms is to make sure do not overdo your arms. The arms should be always extension of your body action. So that's number one to remember. But let's take a look at the arm closely. So we have a shoulder, we have elbow, we have wrist. So we have all these three joints which should work in harmony in motion. So we always, let's say, if we would like to open the arm, we'll start with the shoulder, then the elbow we will continue, then the wrist. And you will see if I would like to extend my arm, of course, it's you start with the shoulder, but then before you activate your elbow, there is a certain degree of the arm rotation. So the arm doesn't stay in the same position. So it's a little bit rotary feel with it. So you have shoulder, elbow, and then wrist. And also, because you have joints, if you bend your joints very fast, and your angles will be very sharp, and you want as much as possible to avoid it. So remember, like if you took classes ballet, or maybe you saw it on TV or some on YouTube, how people, when they do ballet, they create these circles. Why? Because this is the most softest angles for your joints. So this circle, practicing creating circle with your arms is very helpful. So the same idea I would like to use here. As we do our shoulder, elbow, we try to look for those rounded corners, rounded shapes, not as sharp shapes. Okay, shoulder, elbow, then wrist. Now to bring your arm in, you would want to